Hey everybody, as you can see here, I have gotten the Friends Lego sets. Here we got Chandler and Joey's apartment. This is a little hallway right here. Sorry. And Monica and Rachel's apartment. And here we have the coffee shop, Central Perks. One thing I like about these playsets is this middle section here. I'm gonna try to pull this out. As you can see, man, you can like lift this up, and you can pull that out and use that as a playset. And what's nice is these should rock back. Let me pull this out here so that you can see. I'm not sure how well it's coming up on camera. You can see like they're both like rocking back and forth. Here is the back of Joey and Chandler's apartment. You can see this here would be the bathroom door. And here are these two doors right here are the bedrooms, which were hardly ever seen on the show, if you have watched the show. Because they usually only focus on, the living area and stuff. Here we have the Chandler Lego. Here's the Joey Lego. This is the archway between, the two apartment buildings. And I have Chandler's girlfriend for a few of the seasons. I'm sorry, can't remember her name. She doesn't show up a whole lot, as I recall. So I just have her like coming into the doorway. And then here's Monica, the apartment. As you can see, you got a turkey sitting on the table. Phoebe's dollhouse right here. Here's the back of the apartment. And back here we have the fire escape. A little poker from one of the episodes. And a cat right there. On the back here are the two bedroom doors. And of course this one over here is the bathroom. And of course we'll take a look at the figures here. This is Ross. Monica. Rachel. And and Phoebe. And right here is Central Perks. Here I have Joey, walking in, sort of like after you get through the front door here. He's carrying a pizza. Here I have Phoebe walking off the back porch of here, kind of like she just got finished playing on her guitar that she's carrying. Here I have Rachel sitting, sort of like taking a break, sitting with her friends. Here I got Ross, also sitting right beside Rachel, mainly because eventually those two get married. Then I'm going to swing over here and see I have Monica here. Took off her seat, but there's Monica. And here we got Chandler, sitting with his raising up his laptop like, hey, I want to show you guys something. And right back here I have the store owner, the gentleman who runs the place. I'm not very good with names because, even though he's shown a lot on the series, more than Chandler's one girlfriend. Sorry, his name's hard to picture. So here is the back of Central Perks here. If I had to choose, between, which Lego ones of the main cast, the 6 best friends, I would have to go with the ones from the Central Perk ones, because just the way they all look, they look much better than the ones over for the apartments. For example, let's put Joey beside Joey from the Perks with Joey from the apartment building. As you can see, not sure how well they're coming up on it, but just looking at it, I have to say this one here is much better. Much better on what the characters were. I have to say the same with like everybody else, like seeing Ross, even like taking Rachel here. Stand her up straight here, as she is sitting. And the one from the apartments. Just to me, that this one's not really great compared to this one. But yeah, I definitely like the ones from this one more. So even though I like the apartments, how they did the apartments, but if I could, they would have swapped the Lego, the main cast from this one, put them in with the apartments, or maybe do like the same hair style, at least for the girls, at least for all the girls, for the apartment. It will look better. But well, folks, that's my review of the Friends Legos, one of my all-time favorite shows. if I can get it in a group, I'll pan over so that you folks can see them all again. You know how it's all laid out. There you go. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you later. Bye.